Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the AirTag carefully. Use a thin pry tool at the notch and twist. Once the cover pops, make sure to remove the battery slowly and inspect for corrosion or debris. This reveals the likely fault. You should confirm the battery is a CR2032 3V coin cell. If it's depleted or swollen, replacement is needed. Also, note the AirTag's name in the Find My app so you can verify reconnection later. Once you have a known good battery and cleaning supplies, proceed to the core repair steps. Remove residue with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush, making sure to let the PCB dry completely. This restores contacts and prevents shorts. If contacts are bent, gently realign them. If a solder joint is cracked, reflow carefully, only if you're comfortable with micro-soldering, because the PCB is fragile. Replace the battery with a flat-top CR2032 and test the device briefly before reassembly. Reassembly is straightforward. Align the back cover with the notch and press down evenly until you hear a firm click. This ensures the seal and speaker alignment. Once closed, bring the AirTag near your iPhone and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. Make sure Bluetooth is on and iOS is updated, because firmware checks can block activation. If it still fails, try another fresh CR2032 and re-clean the contacts. If problems continue, suspect mechanical damage and contact Apple for repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.